Today, we will share with you an excited love story of how Mahendra Singh Dhoni and Sakshi met at their journey together. It's quite a fascinating tale. So, back in 2007, Dhoni and Sakshi first crossed paths in Kolkata. Sakshi was actually studying hotel management at that time and happened to be an interning at the Taj Bengal, where the Indian cricket team was staying. They were introduced to each other through a common friend. After their initial meeting, they stayed in touch and their friendship gradually blossomed into something more. They started dating, but it was kept quite low-key and away from the media's attention. It's always nice when couples can have some privacy, right? But MS Dhoni at that point rose to fame as he was the captain of Indian cricket team and media started following him wherever he used to go. And the media got clever to spot both Sakshi and Dhoni together. Both the couple used to go to each other's city turn by turn and this caught media's attention. And one fine day, Sakshi didn't realize that media was standing in front of a hostel gate and was mocked by the same when MS came to drop her, and soon after that, the newspaper were filled with headlines of them dating or being in a relationship. Now, when it comes to Dhoni's past girlfriends, there isn't much information available in the public domain. Dhoni has always been quite private about his personal life, so details about his personal relationships are not widely known. Both Dhoni and Sakshi have always maintained a level of privacy when it comes to their personal lives, which is totally understandable. Now, let's talk about an unfortunate incident involving Dhoni's ex-girlfriend. In 2008, just before the start of the Indian Premier League, which is IPL, Dhoni's ex-girlfriend had a tragic accident. It was a difficult time for Dhoni, but he found solace and support in his friends and family. But in the movie MS Dhoni, it has been revealed that Dhoni, before coming into relationship with Sakshi, had a girlfriend named Priyanka Jha who died in a car accident. And that was a big tragic thing for the family and even MS Dhoni, because they were in a very serious relationship and the death affected MS Dhoni's career as well because he wasn't able to accept the fact that Priyanka is no more. Fast forward to 2010, Dhoni and Sakshi tied the knot in a private ceremony attended by close friends and family. It was a beautiful wedding ceremony held in Dehradun, Uttarakhand. Since then, they have been happily married and have a lovely daughter named Ziva. Dhoni and Sakshi's relationship is truly special. They have been through ups and downs together, supporting each other every steps of the way. Despite Dhoni's busy cricketing career, they have managed to maintain a strong bond and are often seen sharing adorable moments on social media. Their love story is a power of testament to the power of friendship, trust and understanding. They continue to inspire many with their strong relationship and are a wonderful example of a happy couple.